Hello, and welcome to another Tie-Dye Tuesday. I'm your host, Jared Hunt, and today we'll be making a wig wag. So grab your crochet thread and your favorite shirt, and let's get started. Take a shirt that's been soaked overnight in soda ash and spun out in the washer. Stretch out the shirt, make it as flat as possible, and line up the seams. Fold the shirt in half so that it creates a vertical line of symmetry down the center of the front of the shirt. Use a washable marker to draw a line that the overall design will follow. Pleat along the pre-drawn line and bind. Pleat and bind the rest of the shirt. It is now time to dye. For this pattern, we will apply each color in a V pattern as seen here. After applying each color, we will smush. Smush and flip the shirt. And on this side, we will match the colors to the other side. As always, when you batch your pieces, make sure it's at least 70 degrees and you let them sit for at least 24 hours. That is the bare minimum. Personally, I do let my pieces all sit for at least 48 hours. Once the piece has batched, before I even open it, I throw everything in the washing machine for one cold cycle. Then I go ahead and start opening. Once that first wash cycle's done, you can go ahead and open your piece and then throw it back into the washing machine. That's one wash cycle on cold, and then you have 2 more on cold and then 1 on hot, for a total of 3 cold cycles and 1 hot cycle. If you want to use laundry detergent, you're more than welcome to, but it is not necessary. After washing, if you would like to keep the size the same, hang dry. If you need to shrink it, throw it in the dryer on high heat. Thank you all so very much for watching. I really appreciate you guys spending your time with me. If you found this video entertaining or helpful, drop a like. If you want to see more tutorials, hit that subscribe button. And for the sake of engagement, leave a comment for what design you want to see next or just to say hi. Finally, if you want to browse my inventory, you can check out my Facebook page. I'll leave a link in the description. And once again, thank you all very, very much, and I hope you all have a great rest of your week.